Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. How are you all doing today? I have a special treat for you today. I have received a product from Emily. She is from the Carrara Spark Company Ltd. and she has sent me this special tool and I want to open it up and share it with you guys. And let's take a look here. Let's get it open. I'm going to open it today and then eventually I'm going to use it. It is a skincare device. She's got it wrapped up really good. Let's see if we can get in here. Okay, we're fixing to get to it. Here we go. This is from Carrara Spark Multifunctional Beauty Device. And this is a tool that we can use. It's a skincare device that has 4 functions. It has a cleaning mode, it has a temperature induction mode, it has a vibration and temperature induction mode, plus an EMS lifting mode, and then it has an EMS lift up mode. So this is a product that is suitable for any daily skincare, and she has sent this to me not only to open up and to share it with you guys, but also she has sent this to me to try out. But I wanted to unbox it on here and show you what we have. And let's take a look at this. I've never seen this tool, so I don't know what it looks like. I can show you this when we open it up. And then once we get it out of the box, it's a handheld device. And it looks like it's got a couple of pieces to it. So, okay. So this is the device. And I can see where that could be like multifunctional. It's got a nice grip. So, and then it's got this nice little, like for in your bathroom. You can have it sitting there on your counter, nice and handy to reach for. And I want to say it's probably battery powered, but I'm not sure. Oh, yep. It just turned on. It has a little vibration going to it. I don't know if you can hear that, but a little blue light come on the back. And then we've changed the sequence, and now it's got a multi-use. So you would be putting this on your skin while you're cleansing it and are putting on serum. And then it has another mode. So each time you hit that button, you hit another mode and it does something else. And this is really nice and soft. So it's like, feels like silicone. Oh yeah, I can feel the vibration. I don't want to get it dirty, but I can feel the vibration. So very nice. So this has been sent to me. Now it's on the red button, so that might be a little heat coming into that. So we've got 4 functions. I think we've turned it off. But let's see in here if there's more instruction in here. I'm looking forward to trying this out. Okay, in the bottom we have our charger, so we can charge it up. It's got a USB port and a little deal here to charge her up with. And then I don't know if I'll be able to read the instructions or not. Okay, toward the end here they have some instructions, so I'll be able to learn about this, and I'm going to try it out. I want to see what it does, and then once I get an opportunity to try it out, I will come back and give y'all a report on how it worked for me. And so I want to try this for a couple of weeks. But I wanted to get it out of the box and show it to you guys because it looks really cool. And it's still got the red light on, so I'm not sure about how to turn it off. But I will say that you set this down on here. And it sits just like so. It'll set nice in your bathroom. So once I get an opportunity to try this out, I'll come back and give y'all a full report. I'm not going to show you how to use it because I've got to learn how to use it, but it looks pretty simple. And of course I could just press these buttons, and it says thanks for the purchase, and it says to please read this manual carefully and use the product safely and correctly, which that's exactly what I want to do. So I want to investigate this a little bit more, but I think it is really a nice product. I love the way that it's compact design. This is like silicone and very soft, and the vibrations were mild that I felt on my face when I did have it up by my face. So I think I will enjoy this very much, and I'm going to find out if it's for cleansing or for using serums, and then I will get back with you guys, and I will have their information down in the description if you're interested in checking this product out while I'm trying it out, okay? But that's what I have today. I want to thank Emily for sending it to me. She did send this to me free for product review. And again, I thank you very much. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment. If you know about this product, have you ever used this product? If this is something that you're familiar with, let me know in the comments. Is this something that you would be interested in having in your cleansing and in your beauty routine? Let me know. I appreciate each and every comment. And again, if you have used one of these, and if you have one, let us know. And basically, that's all I have today for the Cara Spark multifunctional beauty device. So yeah, very nice. I like that. And thank you again for sending it to me. And I will be back with a review. Give me a couple of weeks. So guys, that's all I have today. Appreciate you being with me. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.